Welcome to iScalePro, a complete interview preparation and practice platform. Let's take a quick tour of how it works. After logging in, you will see your personalized homepage. Students will be able to browse through our question banks to prepare for interviews. Click on View Answer, and here you will see that you have access to several resources to help you prepare, including Google, YouTube, and ChatGPT. On the left side, you can see all the quick links for admin, question bank, interview, and response. We are going to see how to set up a mock interview. I am entering the interview title. Now let us explore interview settings. Here we have an option to enable proctoring. There are options to schedule interviews and add candidates, reviewers, and job descriptions. I will enter the reviewer's email and leave other interview settings empty for this demo. iScalePro has the ability to conduct interviews in multiple rounds. Now let us add an interview round. There are multiple round types available like MCQ, Q&A, video, adaptive video, etc. I am choosing MCQ as the current round's type. We can choose the skills for which the assessment is going to be conducted. We could choose weightage and specify if the skill is required or optional. There is also the ability to set pass criteria for each round and interview round duration. We are leaving it to the default value. The next step is to add questions to the current interview round. iScalePro supports multiple ways to add questions. Example, add questions and choices in a CSV file and import the same, or add questions from iScalePro's exhaustive question banks or from the institution's private question bank. For this round, I am going to add questions from ChatGPT. Now let us follow the step-by-step process mentioned here. Once these steps are over, you will have some interview-ready questions. Now we have successfully added round 1 for this interview. Conventionally, one needs to conduct multiple rounds separately and aggregate the results. However, in iScalePro, we can add up to 4 rounds of different types. Now I am setting up a video round in a similar manner. I am adding questions from Question Bank for this round. You could select questions from iScalePro's question bank or your private question bank. I am choosing questions from iScalePro's question bank. Now we have created an interview with 2 rounds. Let me publish the same. Select the newly created interview from My Interviews and copy the interview link. Copied interview link can be shared with the candidates via email. I am signing out and signing in back as a candidate with the shared interview link. After the sign-up and sign-in activities, candidate will be taken to an interview shell. We have a virtual interview avatar to read out interview questions for video rounds. Let me click on Begin Interview. We will see an alert message with interview round-specific information. The first round has only multiple choice questions. The user should be able to select the right choice and move to the next question. Answered questions are highlighted on the right side, with the ability to go back to the specific question and correct the answer. Once all questions are answered, submit the interview round by clicking on Finish. As this is a 2-round interview, we will be taken to the next round based on passing criteria secured marks. As there are no passing criteria set for this interview, we will be prompted and taken to the next round. As this is a video round, the candidate needs to give necessary video recording permission in their browser to continue attending this interview. Once all questions are answered, the candidate can finish. The candidate should be able to download the interview completion certificate for his reference. I am signing in as an administrator now. Admin can go to Admin View and see all the candidates who have attempted a specific interview. Admin will be able to review the responses submitted by the candidates. Let us know to review and rate the recently attempted interview. MCQ round will be auto-scored. We can review the answers entered by the candidate and check the same. Once the review is done, it can be submitted. Candidate can sign in with his credentials and check the interview feedback from Candidate View. Let us quickly see the admin features. iScalePro has multiple roles and permissions. Example, Super Admin, Admin, Team Admin, User, and question bank editors at the team level and institution level. With managed teams, Super Admin will be able to add and remove teams or departments. With managed users, admin should be able to add a user with a business or institution role. Business or institution level roles have access to all the teams. Team roles are specific to a team. The team gives the ability to group the users from different departments and batches, conduct mock exams, and track students' progress. iScalePro also gives the ability to create a private question bank at the team level. This gives the ability to store your customized questions and reuse them in different interviews. Saving the best thing for the last, students should be able to take unlimited interview practice for any type of assessment and will have the ability to download the recordings.